Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, western Choctawhatchee Bay, until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef to 13 nautical miles southwest of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include East Choctawhatchee Bay, Highway 331 Bridge, Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, Mid-Bay Bridge, and Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Florida and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: western Choctawhatchee Bay, eastern Choctawhatchee Bay, coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles.